Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about a company that offers various remote job positions. These are all tech and non-tech jobs. Here, the company's name is Automatic and it has created products like WordPress, Tumblr, Grafta, etc. And this is the company's website. Here it says that work with us from anywhere. So the company offers remote job opportunities for people around the world. And here are all the jobs listed here. So the company offers various tech and non-tech jobs. All these jobs are remote jobs that you can do from home or anywhere. And here you can see happiness engineer, customer support and success, then playground wrangler, technical support engineer job, and senior reverse engineer, front-end engineer, back-end engineer, software engineers, product marketing managers, developer, and senior product managers, head of growth marketing, and there is director of enterprise sales, business development reps, business development representatives, and public sector solutions engineers. And there is technical product marketing manager, senior sales account executive. So these are all the kind of jobs that the company offers. One can check out the roles and depending on your qualification and experience, you can apply for any of these jobs. This is a great company for people who have technology background or who are software developers or software engineers. They can check out the company and the roles. So here, this is technical support engineer job. And here you can see the company offers salary range of around $25,000 to $50,000 per annum. And apart, in addition to the work from home benefit, the company also offers home office setup and co-working allowances. So this is a great opportunity. And if you are interested, you can check out about the role, the skills and experience required for the job, and the benefits. Now here is senior front-end engineer job, and you can check out here. They have three open positions in this category, and you can check out about the roles and responsibilities and the qualifications because they are looking for someone who have production experience with JavaScript, TypeScript, including one or more front-end frameworks. And the company mostly use React and Vue.js. You should either be familiar with them already or the idea of using them every day should not be a blocker for you. So you should have these kind of experiences already. And here, extra credit, experience with enterprise scale products, comfortable working with backend, full stack, or mobile code bases, skilled in working with data, visualizing data, analyzing data, building data pipelines, applied AI, ML, etc. So these are all the skills and abilities that the company is looking for. And here's the compensation. The salary range is between $7,000 to $170,000 per annum. Now here is another tech background job, which is senior software engineer job. And here you can check out the roles and responsibilities. And here are the requirements. So again, they want someone with production experience with one or more programming languages. And the company mostly use JavaScript, TypeScript, and PHP. You should either be familiar with them already or the idea of using them every day should not be a blocker for you. And here, experience working with a large-scale system to make it faster, more scalable, and more fault-tolerant. Then highly collaborative with a strong enthusiasm for participating in code reviews and discussions about architecture, technical design, and solving customer problems. Then here are the extra credit includes experience with enterprise scale products, building things using WordPress, Gutenberg, Block Editor, APIs, React, decoupled architectures, Python, etc. And here the compensation again ranges between $70,000 to $170,000 for engineers. Now here's a non-tech position. which is business development representative. And here you can check out the roles and responsibilities and requirements or like skills and requirements include excellent communication skills, then customer focused, a passion for understanding customer needs and offering solutions to help solve their challenges. You should be self-motivated. You should have curiosity and learning mindset. CRM experience should be there, adaptability, and they are currently hiring for North America for this position. And we should have preferred qualifications of 1 to 2 years experience in a BDR or SDR or similar role. And the compensation is $50,000 to $65,000 per annum. Apart from this, they also have marketing analyst position. So here are the roles and responsibilities you can check, like market research, data collection and analysis, performance tracking, customer segmentation, reporting, forecasting and modeling, collaboration, etc. And here the skills and experience that they are looking for include experience in marketing, business statistics, economics or related fields, proven experience in marketing analytics, data analysis or a related field using data sets from tools like HubSpot, Geo, AdWords, Visible, Marketo, and Salesforce. And you should have strong analytical and problem solving skills. You should have solid understanding of marketing principles and strategies, excellent, excellent communication and presentation skills. And here they have mentioned nice to have that include experience with data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI. These are the tools that market research analysts usually use. And here, knowledge of SQL or data querying and manipulation, certifications in analytics or marketing analytics. So these are not mandatory, but yes, if you have them, those candidates will be preferred. Here the salary range is $85,000 to $120,000 per annum. And here they have mentioned that the salary ranges are global regardless of location and they pay in local currency. And here product marketing manager position is also there. And this is also a non-tech position. Here the salary range is $120,000 to $185,000. And this is also a global position. So yeah, I think go ahead. And this is a list of open positions. You can check here. And depending on your experience, your skills and abilities, you can check out the role and you can apply for any of these jobs that you feel that you could be a good fit. And most of these positions are global positions and they're hiring for worldwide. So no matter what is your location, where do you reside, in which country, what is your current location. So if you have the right skill set, you can apply for the job. This is a great opportunity for you to work remotely from home or anywhere. So go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.